Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to talk about low-fat meals for weight loss. In today's world, where obesity and weight gain are becoming major health concerns, people are constantly searching for ways to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. One way to achieve this is by consuming low-fat meals that are both delicious and nutritious. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will explore 10 low-fat meal recipes for weight loss that are easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. Recipe 1. Grilled Chicken Salad. Grilled chicken salad is a classic dish that is perfect for weight loss. It is low in calories and fat, yet it is packed with protein and nutrients. To make this dish, start by grilling a chicken breast until it is fully cooked. Next, chop up some lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers and add them to a bowl. Add the grilled chicken on top and drizzle with a low-fat dressing of your choice. This dish is perfect for lunch or dinner. Recipe 2. Baked Salmon. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and is low in calories and fat. To make baked salmon, start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the salmon fillet with salt, pepper, and herbs of your choice. Bake the salmon for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it is fully cooked. Serve with a side of vegetables for a healthy and nutritious meal. Recipe 3. Vegetable Stir Fry. Vegetable stir fry is a great low-fat meal that is packed with nutrients. To make this dish, start by chopping up some vegetables of your choice, such as broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, and onions. Heat up some oil in a wok or a large frying pan and add the vegetables. Stir fry for a few minutes until the vegetables are cooked but still crunchy. Serve with a side of brown rice for a complete meal. Recipe 4. Turkey Chili. Turkey chili is a delicious and healthy meal that is perfect for weight loss. To make this dish, start by browning some ground turkey in a large pot. Add some diced onions, garlic, and bell peppers and sauté until the vegetables are soft. Add some canned tomatoes, kidney beans, and chili powder and let simmer for 30 minutes. Serve with a side of low-fat sour cream and shredded cheese. Recipe 5. Sweet Potato and Black Bean Burrito. Sweet potato and black bean burrito is a tasty and nutritious meal that is perfect for lunch or dinner. To make this dish, start by baking a sweet potato until it is fully cooked. Mash the sweet potato and mix it with some black beans, diced tomatoes, and chili powder. Spoon the mixture onto a whole wheat tortilla and roll it up. Serve with a side of salsa and low-fat sour cream. Recipe 6. Broiled Cod. Broiled cod is a simple and healthy meal that is perfect for weight loss. To make this dish, start by preheating your broiler. Season the cod fillet with salt, pepper, and herbs of your choice. Broil the cod for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it is fully cooked. Serve with a side of steamed vegetables for a complete meal. Recipe 7. Quinoa Salad. Quinoa salad is a nutritious and delicious meal that is perfect for weight loss. To make this dish, start by cooking some quinoa according to the package instructions. Add some chopped vegetables of your choice, such as cucumber, bell pepper, and cherry tomatoes. Mix in some low-fat dressing and serve chilled. Recipe 8. Chicken Fajitas. Chicken fajitas are a delicious and healthy meal that is perfect for weight loss. To make this dish, start by marinating some chicken breast in a mixture of lime juice, chili powder, cumin, and garlic. Grill the chicken until it is fully cooked. Add some sliced onions and bell peppers to the same grill and cook until they are soft and slightly charred. Serve the chicken and vegetables on a whole wheat tortilla with some low-fat sour cream and salsa. Recipe 9. Lentil Soup. Lentil soup is a healthy and filling meal that is perfect for weight loss. To make this dish, start by sautéing some diced onions and garlic in a large pot. Add some chopped carrots, celery, and potatoes and sauté for a few minutes. Add some lentils and vegetable broth and let simmer for 30 minutes. Serve with a side of whole grain bread for a complete meal. Recipe 10. Tuna Salad. Tuna salad is a simple and healthy meal that is perfect for lunch or dinner. To make this dish, start by draining a can of tuna and mixing it with some chopped celery, red onion, and low-fat mayonnaise. Serve on a bed of lettuce or on a whole wheat bread for a filling and satisfying meal. Conclusion. In conclusion, these 10 low-fat meal recipes for weight loss are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. By incorporating these meals into your diet, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Remember to choose high-quality, fresh ingredients and to experiment with different flavors and seasonings to keep your meals interesting and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.